Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to upload and save all your photos to Google Drive, whether you're backing up memories or organizing them for easy access. This method is quick and efficient, so let's get started. First of all, go to your browser, then go to drive.google.com and log into your Google account. Now, to upload photos, click on the plus new button in the top left corner, and then select File Upload. A window will open where you can browse through your computer files. Now, select all the photos you want to upload by holding down the key Control on Windows or CMD on Mac, while clicking on each file. Alternatively, if you want to select all the photos in a folder, you can press Ctrl+A or CMD+A on a Mac. Once selected, click Open. You'll see the upload progress on the bottom right side of the screen, depending on how many photos you're uploading and the speed of your internet connection. This might take a few moments. You can continue using Google Drive while the upload happens in the background. To make things easier to find later, it's a good idea to organize your photos into folders. Just create a new folder by clicking New, then Folder. You can name it something descriptive like Vacation 2023 or Family Photos. Once the upload is complete, you can simply drag and drop the photos in the new folder. One of the best things about Google Drive is that your photos are available from any device with an internet connection, whether you're using a phone, a tablet, or a computer. You can access all your photos by logging into your Google account. This makes it way easy to view or share them from anywhere. And that's how you save all your photos in Google Drive. It's a great way to keep your memories safe and accessible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.